The 5-second ice method, or ice hack, you're referring to has been circulating on social media platforms like TikTok, where influencers claim it can miraculously melt belly fat. The idea behind the hack is simple. Consuming large amounts of ice can supposedly boost your metabolism and burn more calories, leading to weight loss. However, it's important to note that these claims are largely unsupported by scientific evidence. The ice hack diet, also called the alpine ice hack, is actually trying to sell an expensive dietary supplement called Alpilean. The Alpilean creators claim the real cause of belly fat is low inner body temperature. They base this on a 2020 study conducted by researchers at Stanford University School of Medicine that showed our collective inner body temperature in the US has decreased an average of 0.05 degrees Fahrenheit every decade since the 1800s. But the co-author of the Stanford study, Julie Parsonnet, a professor of medicine, epidemiology, and population health at Stanford University, said it's not that simple. While it's true that as the population has gotten heavier, our body temperature, a crude marker of metabolic rate, has dropped, many other things have happened at the same time, including more calorie-dense food, sedentary lifestyle, reduced infectious diseases, and even air conditioning and heating. Therefore, it's misleading to attribute weight gain solely to a decrease in inner body temperature. In conclusion, the weight loss ice hack is not a sustainable weight loss method, as it only provides a small boost in metabolism and does not address the underlying causes of weight gain.